Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method casefold. So the casefold method returns a version of the string suitable for caseless comparisons, and the syntax here is a string object followed by the dot notation and then casefold with opening and closing parentheses. Now for the string casehold method, there are no parameters, and the string that we'll work with here is this first Python string variable with the string value, the Zen of Python. And so we see here as the output, so the Zen of Python, that's a string, and we can convert this, so return a lowercase version of the string, where print first Python string dot casefold. And so this will return the Zen of Python all in lowercase. And so the difference here is earlier Zen and P were uppercase, and so here casefold returns a string where it's all lowercase. Now the string here can be used for comparison. So we'll first create a second string variable, second Python string, and this string will be the same string as above, so the Zen of Python, but all in uppercase. And just to return and see that we have the string. So that's what we have in there, the Zen of Python. And so this string can then be used to check if the first Python string is equal to the second Python string. So check if the first Python string is the same as the second Python string, and print first Python string equal to second Python string. Now this we would expect to return false due to the different casing. And so running this, that's what we have here. So false. So this first Python string is not the same as the second Python string, which is all uppercase. Now, this can then be converted first to all to lowercase for both strings. And then we can redo the check and confirm if they're the same. So lowercase first, create a variable here, and then convert this first Python string to lowercase using casefold. And then second Python string will create a variable called lowercase second, where the second Python string is also converted to lowercase. And just to return the two strings using an F string, we'll confirm that both strings have been converted to lowercase. So confirm both are lowercase. And so looking at the output here, yes, both strings here are lowercase. And so now we can redo the check above with both lowercase strings to confirm if they are the same. So print lowercase first equal to lowercase second. And so this will return true. Yep, so both strings after converting both, where all the characters are lowercase, these two strings are now exactly the same. Now, alternative to do this comparison is to actually chain the method without having to create two extra variables. So we can print first Python string dot casefold, convert it to lowercase, and then extend the logic to also for the second Python string and make it all lowercase. So this will return true. And so this is how to use the casefold method to convert a string to all lowercase characters, but also use it to check and confirm if two strings are the same or they're different.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.